So guys, today I'll be showing you how you can achieve this look. This is a Pixie wig. It's a friendly beginner tutorial. If you want to achieve this look, please tune in. So I am using a wig cap with some pins and needles there to secure the wig, and then I'm also using this fiber, which comes with a closure, plastic cap, and also it's a 100% human hair. So this wig, this fiber, it already has lengths. The longer lengths are at the front, and then the shorter lengths are the ones that are at the back. So I'm gonna start off with the shorter length of the weave, and then I'm gonna sew them in. I'm only using one piece here, and the length is quite shorter. So to sew, I'm using a Brazilian wool, which I don't think it's advisable to use it. You can use a normal wool, because I haven't get myself the normal wool. I keep on forgetting. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe onto my channel, and please comment. I would really like to hear from you. So you just sew the wig. This is from ear to ear. This is it, ear to ear. That is how I've measured it, because at the back you don't want your wig to be longer, you want it to be shorter, right? And then you need to have those nice cuts there at the back, shorter length. Okay guys, forgive me, I forgot to cut other parts here. So electricity for a certain period of time, so we just need to use alternatives in order to have our phones charged. And yeah, here I'm using a power bank, which helps me a lot when it comes to load shedding. So guys, please don't forget, I am waiting from you to hear any kind of comments, so that is how you saw the week, guys. But now here I'm doing another part. I'm still using one slice of the weave of the fiber, you can say so. It's very easy, guys, to achieve this look. At the back you just use the shorter length, and then at the front you use the longer ones. Otherwise, that's it. So please, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and maybe on my next video I'll be revealing some quite exciting news. Yeah, so please, guys, continue watching and supporting my channel, because I will not be as active as I am for a period of time. Life happens, yeah. So yeah, do not forget to follow me, subscribe to my channel for more videos, hair tutorials. Yeah, I'll try and do the announcement maybe on the next video, because I owe you guys that much. I will not be posting as much as I have been doing, maybe one video a week. So guys, yeah, I'll be back when things are back to normal again, when the strength is there again. So yeah, guys, I really want to say thank you. I know I have like close to 200 people who are listening to my videos, and I mean, like, those who are subscribed, but I have like more than 200 people viewing my videos. In some videos I get more views than the others. So yeah, I mean, the subscribed ones, the loyal ones. Okay guys, that is just how you saw this wig. I really don't have enough explanation for it. And then you just make sure that it's up to you to use 2 slices or 1 slice. It depends on you. But yeah, guys, it came out nicely. I wish I had 2 separate videos, this one for sewing and then the other one for cutting, but next time I'll try and do it. I'll do it that way. So this is the closure. I've decided to use the glue for the closure. I know where I want my closure, so I'll just stick it there using a glue. And then yeah, and then I'll just continue sewing until I reach my desired hairstyle that I want to achieve. So you can use a glue here, but to blow all the time it's quite tiring because I didn't have my hair dryer with, so, and it was gonna take a lot of time. I think glue is quite faster, but to blow without a dryer, So guys, just make sure the front part is packed to your desired hairstyle that you want to achieve.